Okay, today we're talking about hammer drill basics. So here's a hammer drill we will be demonstrating today. You can buy these online at your local big box store. This particular kit came with multiple size hammer drill bits, specifically SDS bits. It also came with a chuck, so if you want to chuck a standard drill bit in there, you can do that. Woo! It's capable of hammer drilling or drilling like normal or just hammering.
Wow.
Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.